Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another haul video. It's not a very big haul. This is a tiny little haul. I picked up a few things from the Nykaa Holi sale. I'll be playing Holi this year after a very long time. The last time I remember playing Holi properly was right after my 10th board exams. I was 15. So it's been about 14 years and that's a really long time. So I wanted to make sure I had everything to protect my hair, my skin and my body from the colors, and people in my family can get really into the spirit of Holi, so I wanted to make sure that I'm fully prepared. Now I do have these fantastic cold pressed oils from Nykaa Beauty, but I wanted something in a larger bottle, something I can slather all over my body, and I picked up the cold pressed castor oil from Soulflower, and this is a 225 milliliters bottle. I think this should be enough. Now the reason I picked castor oil is that it's a really thick oil, so I'm hoping it's going to give me just a really nice heavy barrier against the colors and protect my skin really well. Now for the face, I typically prefer using oils that are meant specially for the face instead of just the pure, the plain cold pressed oils. So I picked the Plum, Grape seed and sea buckthorn oil, and I've been really liking skincare from Plum lately. I've been testing out their Bright Tears range and I did a video on that as well, and there's a giveaway with that in case you want to check that out. So I wanted to try this oil. I haven't used it before. I really like Plum skincare and this is not super expensive, so this is what I picked for my face. So these are my prep products, and then I picked up 3 products for the post care. I wanted to pick some really nice body scrubs. I do have a few body scrubs, but I wanted to try something new, and this brand called Tjori caught my eye, so I picked 2 of these. I picked the body polishing oatmeal scrub. Now this is quite a grainy scrub, but it's not very harsh on the skin because it's oatmeal based, and oat is generally something that's quite gentle, but it still gives you a really nice exfoliation, so I'm really excited to see how this one works. Then I also picked the hair removal with pink salt Ubtan, and I picked this one because it's got pink salt, and I thought that's also going to give me quite a bit of a gritty feel to get rid of all that color, and if it works against hair removal, it definitely should work against, you know, any sort of surface impurities that you have. And this is a besan based scrub, so this has Himalayan pink salt, chickpea flour which is besan, haldi, sugar, saffron, orange peel powder, manjistha, tulsi powder, sandalwood powder, rose petal powder, oat flour, wheat flour, coconut husk. So I think this one should also work really well. It just doesn't feel as gritty when you touch it, but I think once you apply it and let it sit on your skin for a little bit, and then when you wash it off, it should give you a bit of that scrubbing action. And because you are using so many scrubs and exfoliants on your skin, you want to make sure you follow that up with a really nourishing, rich, comforting body lotion, and I picked the Bio Creamy Coconut from Biotique, and this is exactly the kind of texture I was looking for. It's really creamy. It's meant for extra dry skin. It's got a really nice scent. It doesn't smell very coconutty, but it does smell like a lot of the other Biotique products I have tried. I really like how nourishing this is. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to link all the products I have mentioned in the description box below. Make sure you check out the Holi sale offers on Nykaa. There are lots of exciting offers going on. I hope you all have a happy and enjoyable Holi. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.